Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. Happy November! Oh my gosh, I cannot believe it is November. It is almost Thanksgiving, and then that means it's almost Christmas. Holy moly. So today we are going to be doing some DIY. I'm gonna be doing DIYs all throughout the month of November, concentrating on Thanksgiving, kind of Thanksgiving centerpieces, or just fall decor. And this is all gonna be done on a budget. This is mostly stuff from the Dollar Tree or stuff I already had at home. So there are gonna be 4 different videos of DIYs that I'll be posting in the next couple weeks. So make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss them, and let's get into it. All right guys, the first thing I did was I took a little flower thing that I already had, and then I found this little milk jug thing. It's like I was using it as a vase. It had my Halloween flowers in it. And I just want to decorate these up a little bit with some fall ribbon. I got this ribbon from the Dollar Tree. I thought it was super cute with the lace. So I'm just going to go ahead and measure it around this little milk jug, and then I'm going to glue it with my hot glue gun. This glue doesn't stick very well, so I figured it'll be easy enough to take off. So I just put a couple little pieces of glue just to get it to stick, and then I wanted to put some fall leaves in it. So I had these leaves from some of my other DIYs. And after I put them in there, I didn't like how it looked without anything in there. So I actually just went and took some tissue paper and wadded it up and put it in the bottom. And I thought that that filled it up nicely. And I was going to take each leaf and like take it off of the stem, but it was actually the perfect height. So I thought that this looked better. So I just literally took the leaves and put them in there, and then just kept stuffing more tissue paper in there until it looked right. Alright guys, now on to the next one. This one is really tricky. All I did was literally measured it around the little vase, cut it to size, and then glued it on there. This one is so easy, and you can do this with any vase or anything you have at your house. I think these turned out so cute, and they were so easy to make. Just gives them a little bit of like that farmhouse fall decor look with that ribbon. And like I said, this ribbon was from the dollar store. It was only $1, and it's super pretty. Alright guys, for this next one, I bought these they're little styrofoam pumpkins. I got them from the dollar store, and I'm just going to go ahead and take my white spray paint and spray paint these bad boys so that they don't look so ugly. Sorry, that's so bad, but they really are kind of ugly. So I only show myself doing the top part, but after they dried, I did go back and do the bottom as well. You just want to make sure everything is completely covered in the white spray paint. Alright, and then once you have them completely dry, you're going to bring them inside. And I was going to use Mod Podge, but they are blocked in a cabinet in our garage, and I could not get to it. So I found some Elmer's glue and just got a little brush, and this is actually working perfectly. What I'm going to do is just kind of make stripes all the way around so that it's even. And I wanted to do, I don't know if you guys can see, but there's kind of like a seam on these pumpkins, so I wanted to make sure that I covered the seam in glitter so you couldn't see it. And then I just went ahead and sprinkled it on, and I like to do this over paper so that all that glitter that falls off I can eventually put back in the little container. So you're just going to want to go around and do this on the entire pumpkin until it's finished. And then for this next one, I wanted to do polka dots, and I didn't really know, I didn't have anything that I could dip into the glue, so I figured I would try using a glue stick. I wasn't sure if the circles would be completely perfect, which they're not, but you can't really tell, and I think they look good enough. So yeah, I just used a glue stick and went around and made little dots everywhere and covered them with glitter. And that's it, you guys. These pumpkins are all done. I think they turned out so cute. You would never know that they were made of styrofoam. I think they are adorable. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and we'll see you on my next DIY. Bye. I wouldn't have to be alone. No, I would never be alone.